Stop chasing passive income. Seriously, stop. Most of what you see on social media is a lie. The idea that you can just set it and forget it from day one is a fantasy designed to sell you a course. Here is the cold, hard truth. Passive income isn't passive. At least, not at the start. I've spent years analyzing the math behind wealth creation and testing dozens of side hustles. I've seen people lose thousands on automated bots and easy dropshipping schemes that promised freedom but delivered debt. But I've also seen what actually works. The difference: systems, not shortcuts. In this video, we're debunking the easy money myths. Then, I'm giving you the 3 proven, scalable systems that actually build long-term wealth and financial independence. If you're tired of the hype and ready for a real blueprint, pay attention. This is how you actually do it. You've seen the ads. The promise is always the same. Set it and forget it. Make money while you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? So you try the easy stuff. Maybe it was a dropshipping store, a low-content Kindle book, or some AI-generated blog that promised thousands in ad revenue. But here's what they didn't tell you. Those automated systems aren't actually passive. They're just saturated. You spend 3 weeks obsessing over a store, only to make $12. You feel like you're doing everything right. You watch the tutorials, you bought the course. But the money never comes. The truth is, you're being sold a lie. The easy, passive income gurus are making their passive income by selling you the dream of passive income. It's a cycle of frustration. You're trading your limited free time for hacks that don't scale. You aren't failing because you're lazy. You're failing because you're trying to harvest a crop you never actually planted. If it were truly easy, everyone would be retired by 30. But they aren't. Because real wealth isn't a hack. It's a system. Here is the cold, hard truth. Passive income isn't a magic button. It's a trade. You either trade a massive amount of time now for money later, or a massive amount of money now for money later. If someone tells you it's easy and instant, they are selling you a dream so they can make money off your desperation. To build real wealth, you need systems. Not hacks, not glitches. Systems. System number 1, the dividend engine. This is the gold standard for those who already have some capital. You aren't gambling on the next meme coin. You are buying ownership in established companies that pay you a share of their profits just for holding the stock. The secret here isn't just picking a high yield. It's dividend growth investing. You want companies that increase their payouts every year. To make this scale, you need to track your yield and your payout dates meticulously. I recommend using a dedicated dividend tracking software to see exactly when your paychecks hit. Once your dividends cover your monthly bills, you are officially financially independent. But what if you have more time than money? That's where system number 2 comes in. The digital asset factory. Most people think making money online means dropshipping or surveys. Forget that. Those are jobs, not systems. A digital asset is something you build once and sell 1,000 times. An ebook, a specialized template, or a mini course. Yes, the upfront work is grueling. You might spend 100 hours building a product that makes $0 in the first month. But once the system is live on a digital product hosting platform, the cost of selling to the 1,000th customer is $0. That is true scalability. Finally, for those who need a win right now, the high-yield safety net. This is the lowest barrier to entry. Stop leaving your emergency fund in a big-name bank earning basically nothing. Move your cash into a high-yield savings account. It is the only truly passive income that carries virtually 0 risk. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it stops your money from losing value to inflation while you build your bigger systems. Choose your path. Do you have the capital for the engine, the time for the factory, or do you need to start with the safety net? Stop chasing easy. Start building systems. Now here is the secret. These systems only work if you track the numbers. If you're building a dividend portfolio, stop using a spreadsheet. I use affiliate, dividend tracking software to automate my payouts and see exactly where my growth is coming from. For your cash reserves, stop leaving money in a big bank earning 0.01%. Move it to a high-yield savings account. I've linked my top pick in the description. It is the fastest, lowest-risk win you can get today. And if you're launching digital products, don't fight with the tech. Use a professional hosting platform like Affiliate, digital product hosting platform, so your business runs while you sleep. That is how you stop chasing money and start owning systems that pay you. If this shifted your perspective on wealth, hit the like button. Subscribe to stop falling for the scams and start building real independence. Check the links below to get started. Let's get to work.